And the limit x approaches infinity, ex minus e in exponent minus x divided by 2 minus 3 e in exponent x. Let me first rewrite this limit, and let's start to solve it, to find the limit. So this is infinite, and e in x minus e in minus x is divided by 2 minus 3 e in exponent x. So first of all, we are going here to divide the upper part of this expression by e in x, and the same thing, we are going to apply the same operation. We are going to apply lower, or in the lower of this expression, with the e in x. Now what we are going to get? So limit x approaches infinity, and here every time we are going to divide by ex. So ex here divided by ex minus e in minus x divided by ex. Same thing we are doing down. E2 is divided by x minus 3ex divided by ex. And now we are going to see what we can simplify. So we can simplify ex and in ex, and ex here. So this is going to be in this form now. So what remains here is 1 minus. I have a e in minus x divided by e in x, but according to the properties of the exponents, if I am putting this down here, is going to change the exponent, become positive, and here remains 1, and down is e in x times e in x is e in exponent 2x, according to properties of the exponents. And here is a 2 divided by e in x, and so just let me write here is a limit x approaches infinity, and is a minus 3. That's what remains here. But according to the properties of the limits, now we can write a limit x goes to infinity. So on the upper part of this fraction here, we can write 1 minus 1 over e in a 2x. And down here we can write limit x approaches to infinity is 2 over e in x minus 3. So that's what we have here. And now, as we see here, as the x goes to infinity, so 1 over e in a 2x approaches 0. And same thing is here down. As the x approaches infinity, so 2 over ex, so 2 over in ex approaches 0. And now we have this form here now. So let me write a different color. So we have this form here, this situation. Here it means here is 1 minus 1 over 2x approaches 0 is 0. And now down here we have a 2 over ex is a 0 and minus 3. And everything here is 1 minus 0 is 1, and the 0, so let me call it up, 0 minus 3 is a minus 3. So everything is equal with a minus 1 over 3. So this is the result when we evaluate the limit x approaches infinity, ex minus e in minus x over 2 minus 3 e in x is equal with a minus 1 over 3.